Aye.
Walk on, sit down, take a chair, sit down.
Okay. Right. I'll just be able to right. I'm or not a full right. Okay. Is that it? Is that a real gun? Yes, it is. I'd like to see it out of one. Hello, boys and girls. What did you say there? I said hello. That's more like it. Does anybody know my name? Do you know where I come from? Hey, look at Jimmy's on. You see that bag there? No. You see that bag there? That bag is full of presents. And those that answer questions right will get a present. Now we're not giving any to these big people. No. Now listen, you don't know who I am. Sure you don't. Right. So that's very important to know who you are. That's very important to know your name. Isn't that right? You don't know where I come from. You don't know my name. You don't know anything at all about me. And it's very important to know your name. When you go to school, what's the first thing the teacher learns you? They learn you the alphabet. But what? Your name. So they learn you your name, and do they learn you how to write your name? Yes. Right, that's a very smart boy there. You know something, I think I'll be boy there to get a reward. What do you think? Do you think he should get on? Well, he's the first Ulster Scotsman up here in this part of the country. Turn around there and get down and see it.
Very good.
Well, you see what you get when you answer questions. So the teacher learns you your name, and they learn you how to write your name, and then they do something else. What else do they learn?
How to write?
Well, they learn how to read. Yes, but there's something else.
They learn you by what's there in the alphabet.
Well, yes, they do that too. What? They learn you your tables.
They tell you your genes.
What?
They learn your genes.
You learn each other's names. That's right. But you're not getting a very important point.
History.
They learn your history. What?
Where you live.
Where you live. You see, and that's what I asked you in the very beginning. Did you know my name?
No.
Did you know where I live?
No.
So that's very important. Very, very important indeed to know what to call you and where you live. I mean to say, if you went up to Belfast or say you went down into Dublin, the last time I was in Dublin there was a big riot and I had to come home. They didn't want to listen to me. But if you went to Dublin or if you went to Belfast and you got lost on a PSNI man would walk over to you, what's your name? And you said, I don't know. Where do you live? I don't know. What do you think he would do? He'd take you away and lock you up. So it's very, very important to know where you live, what your name is. Now, if I ask you what island this is, could anybody tell me? Ireland. Ireland or Northern Ireland. But I want to take you way back in history. Now, they call it Northern Ireland today, or they call it Ireland today. They used to call it Eire, and they used to call it the Republic. But I want to take you way back in history. Way back to the 1st and 2nd century. No, way long before that. I want to take you back to the 1st and 2nd century. And this island was called, can anybody tell me what this island was called?
Germany.
No, it was not. Well, wait a minute here. Could any of you people down here tell me what it was called? Give us a clue. Oh no, you can't get Jack Blue. They didn't get one. No, it wasn't called Ulster. You're nearly there, but it wasn't.
Scotland. Narnia. Highland.
No, no, no. Now listen. Listen, I will tell you. What? No, it wasn't called Britannia. It wasn't called Scotia. No, it wasn't called the Rams and Riders. Listen, listen, I tell you now. You need. No, that's all. That's all. I'll tell you what that was called. That was called Scotia Major. Scotia Major. Now, I want you to mind that name. Because there was another country called Scotia Minor. And these two countries are related. And the people are related. In fact, some of you people here today could be from that place. And you know, I'll be looking at a boy here later on. Give me that there in case you shoot someone. You want to try it anyway. What did I say there? Some of you people could what? Be related. So it's very, very important. It's very important to know who you are and where you come from. This boy here wants it. Sorry, I had to take it off him. And he wants it. They're going to be shooting anyway. You see him go up on there. Come on. But it's very important. Hey. What was the name of this island? You have to get a hat, haven't you? Yours is a nicer one, isn't it? There you are. Stand up there and let them see it. Come on over here and stand up there and let them see it. You get the king, I'm sure they, but make sure they don't. Look, they're all jealous. See ya. You sit down. So what do they call the island? What do they call the island? Scotia Major. And I said there was another island. What do they call it? Well, you see, away in those early centuries, this island here was covered with what's it? Trees. 95% of the whole island was covered with trees and rocks and bramble and briars. And there was maybe 100 people living here, and maybe 50 living there, and 60 here, and 20 there, and maybe 5 there. And there was very few people on this island, on this side of Simon. Now listen, there was very few people on this island, and there was a lot of cattle and sheep and stuff, you know. And different people come to this island over the centuries. Somebody named Germany there earlier on. There was people come, yes, there was people come from Germany. There was people who come from Norway. Who ever heard of the Vikings? And they had big helmets with big horns on them. You know, I have a Davy Crockett thing here, a horn there that's full of powder in there. I forgot to put it on. I am Davy Crockett. I am the Davy Crockett. They will tell you about that. Now listen, will they tell you about that later on? Just give me that there. This boy here, sitting here. There, you two north side on between us. Where was I out there? Where was I out there in the story? Could anybody tell me? Before Davy Crockett, right? About the Vikings. And I was telling you there, this island was covered with what? Trees. And there was very few people living on it. And those that did live on it, they lived in wee places like wee huts. And they built the huts of stone, and they put a few branches over the top, and they put a few sods over the top of that there. And they lived in that. And they lived like that for centuries. Were there many people on the island at that time? No. I want you to remember this because this is very, very important. And the next few phrases I've been uttering, they're terribly important. And you'll be able to tell your daddy and mommy when you go home all about it. But different people come to this island during the 2nd and 3rd and 4th century and 5th century, and some come from Germany.